Salam Sound.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Salam Sound audio stream. My name is Hassan Ramadan. On today's stream, we'll be featuring Muslim kid songs by the Muslim Kid Choir on Salam Sound.
Salam Sound.
So, what is Salam Sound? Salam Sound is a song made by the peaceful sounds of the human voice, with words to inspire, to motivate, to elevate the spirit, and most of all, to teach the world that Islam is a beautiful way of life, and Muslims are a peaceful people. So let's get started. The first song is called Islam is for the People. The teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Holy Quran, Islam, came as a mercy to all mankind for the benefit of all people, not just Muslims. Islam is here to help humanity, not to hurt it. Here is Islam is for the People by Muslim Kid Choir on Salam Sound.
People saying bad things about Islam in the message of Muhammad, the Holy Quran. But I'm here to tell you that it says Islam is for the people. 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 Watch the news, it just gives me the blues, because I know Islam is so beautiful. I pray things get better, never should we say never. One day the newscaster will say Islam is for the people. 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 To live in harmony. To live in harmony. Together in peace. Together in peace. Did you know that the word Islam, it means submission to the will of God, the laws of nature? He's a creator and we're his creation, so we must live together and share what he's given us. You say the communist is no longer the threat and the new enemy is the Muslim. Wake up! Greed is the enemy of humanity. Let's say it again. Islam is for the people. 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 To live in harmony. To live in harmony. Together in peace. Together in peace. Jesus, Moses, and Muhammad all said the same thing. We must
to help us live in harmony together in peace. That was Muslim Kid Choir with Islam is for the People. My name is Hassan Ramadan, and next we've got the little ones to remind us that before everything we do, we should say, in the name of God, in the name of Allah, Bismillah. Here's the younger group of Muslim Kid Choir with Bismillah on Salam Sound.
What do we say before we eat? What do we say before we play? What do we say before we read the Holy Quran? Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah. What do we say before we wash? What do we say before we pray? What do we say before we do most anything? Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. In the name of Allah. In the name of Allah. We know there is no better way. In the name of Allah. Bismillah. The most important words we say. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah.
That was Bismillah, Muslim Kid Choir on Salam Sound. Today's stream is sponsored by Guidance Financial. Get your Islamic loan interest-free on guidancefinancial.com. Last but not least, we've got a awesome song by Muslim Kid Choir. It's called I Believe in Allah. And it's a very important song to sing in these days when our iman is being tested. For us adults, it's hard enough to keep our heads up high and to keep the faith under all the persecution. But for our children, it's extremely difficult, especially if they attend public schools, where Islamophobia is widespread on campus, from the administration to the student body. So all you kids out there and young adults, listen to these young voices singing, I believe in Allah. When times get hard, remember, the promise of Allah is Jannah for those who believe in Him and do good deeds. When times get hard, sing this song. Here's I Believe in Allah by Muslim Kid Choir on Salam Sound.
I stand in the line and pray, and zakat I pay. I fast in Ramadan, 'cause I believe in Allah. I'm nice to my fellow man, I'm kind to my parents. My elders I respect, 'cause I believe in Allah. He watches over me, all things Allah can see. I want to be sure He's happy with my deeds. He answers me in prayer, and when I call He's always there. He helps me through the day. Yes, I believe in Allah. I love to hear Yadhan, I love my deen Islam. I hope to go to Mecca, 'cause I believe in Allah. I always tried to smile, it was my prophet's style. This life is just for a while. Yes, I believe in Allah. He watches over me, all things Allah can see. I want to be sure He's happy with my deeds. He answers me in prayer, and when I call He's always there. He helps me through the day. Yes, I believe in Allah. I believe in Allah. I believe in Allah. He watches over me, all things Allah can see. I want to be sure He's happy with my deeds. He answers me in prayer, and when I call He's always there. He helps me through the day. Yes, I believe in Allah.
Allah, Allah, subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah, Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah, Allah, subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah, Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah, Allah, subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah, Allah, la ilaha illallah.
Thank you for joining us today on Salam Sound, featuring Muslim Kid Choir. You can purchase this app on iTunes or Google Play for a small fee, which goes to the production of more Salam Sound. My name is Hassan Ramadan, and Jazakumullahu Khairan. We'll see you next time, inshallah, on Salam Sound. Salam.